Hello. I'm going to be going through a quick review of this tool called ROLLOUT, which is available on AppSumo. This is an AI website builder, and it's a lifetime deal that you can buy on AppSumo. Now, I have this product already. I've already been using it a little bit. Okay, so I already have a little bit of an opinion, but I'm going to give you my experience. I'm just going to go ahead and use this tool in a moment and show you what happens. So let's just have a little look here at the pricing. Always recommend checking out the pricing if you're going through an AppSumo product. So you know what, I don't remember. I think I got licensed tier 2. I'm sure I did, because I see here code editor. I'm sure I wanted that. Anyway, I'm not sure, and we'll come on to what I think of this tool. But yeah, there's a lot of questions here and reviews where there's some, a bit of balance. There's some pros and some cons going on here. Okay, so I think there is a free demo as well, by the way. But anyway, I have this tool. I've logged in. This is the page that you are greeted with. I'm going to just try a web page. Okay, so I have done this before, but let's do something new. So build me a stunningly designed website for let's think about this, a florist local to let's do Brighton, England. Okay, right, let's see how long it takes. Now, I have been using some other AI tools that build websites just to try them out. This one is pretty fast to give you something, but it kind of keeps working while you can see what it's doing while it's building, which I actually quite like, because some tools, it will go away and it will work on something and then it'll come back, and then you look at the work and you think, that's not what I wanted. With this tool, at least you can kind of stop it if you're not keen on the work that it's doing. Now, this is interesting. Okay, so the first thing that really stood out to me that I didn't like is it's a very dark theme. But funnily enough, that's one of my favorite things about this tool, is when I am trying to make a dark themed website, this tool is very good at that. Now, this part looks a bit better. I don't like the red icon there. That should definitely be green. That looks like an error. It looks like something's gone wrong here until you read it. But yeah, look, you can see it's working while we're scrolling down here. So I don't like the dark theme. That does not feel appropriate for this business. However, I'm very impressed with the actual design, and that is kind of my opinion on this tool when I've used it in the past, is that it's actually really good for just like a rough sketch of a website. I could see myself using it for that, just to get an idea that you can kind of expand from. This has taken some time here, but as I said, if we were just watching a loading screen this whole time, that would be a real issue. But this isn't too bad, it's still running in the background here. I wonder if we can start up another project. I haven't actually tried out any of these other ones yet. So what have we got here? We've got custom or dashboard. I feel like these two are pretty cool ones to try. Got resume, presentation, e-commerce, mobile app, blog. Ooh, okay. Well, I don't have an idea for a custom app right now. I kind of want to do a mobile app. Let's try it. So, design me a modern and easy to use, user-friendly AI app. Don't steal my business idea. That tells you a motivational quote every day based on your custom preferences and goals. Okay, not bad for on the spot business idea. Let's have a look. Okay, is this going to interfere? Because if it's a tool where, oh yeah, it seems like we can, yeah, it seems like we can run more than one at a time, which I really like, because if you're stuck waiting, at least you can do something else. Best thing to do, really, is go stick the kettle on, you know, and then come back once it's done. Daily Motive, it's actually come up with the brand name. I think that's pretty sick. I mean, well, it's not my preferred brand name, but just the fact that it's envisioned this whole brand, you know, that's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna perhaps I can open up a project I've worked on before, because it's obviously taking a little while. Let's just quickly review these other items here. To be honest, I haven't really looked in these. You've got Showcase, so you can actually check out things that other people have been working on. Yeah, see, I mean, something lighter and more elegant would have probably worked better for the florist. Teams, I haven't used that. Wonder if we can find out my subscription here. Nope, that's just taken me to AppSumo. That's annoying. Right, so if we go back here, we've got projects. Okay, so I was actually building this website, and the cool thing about this AI builder is, oh, no pages found. Well, that's a little bit concerning, isn't it? Preview site. Is this going to work? Yeah, it does. Okay. So I don't know why it said no pages found. That is, you know, a bit worrying. But I love what it's done here. I think this is great. You know, I love the color scheme. It's very, you know, modern and fits with kind of what I was looking for. It is very long though. I mean, there's some problems. But then you can talk to the AI to make modifications, and it's got a drop down, a drag and drop builder, which is pretty handy. You know, you've got a load of options in here. So, do I recommend this tool? I do and I don't. So, I actually love this tool, but only so far for just getting ideas, you know, getting a quick little preview together, getting those creative juices flowing. I think it's fantastic for that. I've yet to be shown by this tool that it can actually deliver, you know, successful results, but it does let you export the code, which is super handy. So I would recommend giving it a go if you're interested. If you've got any questions, drop a comment in the video, and subscribe if you want to leverage technology to grow your business or be more creative.